Today, we're delving into a topic that's all too familiar for many of us: how to stop bleeding from shaving. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got you covered with some essential tips and tricks to keep those shaving mishaps at bay. First things first, prevention is key. Before we even pick up that razor, let's talk about some prep work to minimize the risk of nicks and cuts. 1. Prepping the skin with warm water or a pre-shave oil to soften the hair and make it easier to cut. 2. Choosing the right shaving cream or gel for your skin type to provide a smooth glide and added protection. 3. Using a sharp, clean razor and ensuring proper technique, such as shaving with the grain of your hair to reduce irritation. Despite our best efforts, accidents can still happen. So, what do you do when you find yourself face-to-face with a pesky shaving nick? Fear not, we've got some quick fixes. 1. Applying gentle pressure with a clean tissue or cotton pad to stop the bleeding. 2. Using a styptic pencil or alum block to help seal the wound and promote clotting. 3. If you're in a pinch, a dab of lip balm or petroleum jelly can also provide a temporary barrier. Now that we've got the bleeding under control, let's focus on soothing the skin and preventing further irritation. 1. Applying a cold compress or ice pack wrapped in a cloth to reduce inflammation and ease discomfort. 2. Opting for a post-shave balm or moisturizer with soothing ingredients like aloe vera or witch hazel to calm the skin. 3. Avoiding harsh products or alcohol-based aftershaves that can sting or aggravate freshly shaved skin. But wait, there's more. Let's delve deeper into some additional tips and tricks to elevate your shaving game to the next level. 1. Proper aftercare. Once the bleeding has stopped, it's essential to treat your skin with care. Avoid rubbing or scratching the shaved area, as this can lead to further irritation. Instead, pat the skin gently with a soft towel to dry. Then follow up with a moisturizing lotion or cream to keep the skin hydrated and supple. 2. Explore alternative shaving methods. If you find yourself frequently dealing with shaving cuts, it might be time to explore alternative shaving methods. Consider using an electric razor or safety razor, which are less likely to cause nicks and cuts compared to traditional cartridge razors. Experimenting with different techniques and tools can help you find what works best for your skin and shaving routine. 3. Preventative measures. In addition to the immediate steps you can take to stop bleeding, there are also preventative measures you can incorporate into your routine to minimize the risk of shaving mishaps altogether. Regularly exfoliating the skin can help remove dead cells and prevent ingrown hairs, while keeping your razor clean and properly maintained will ensure a smooth shave every time. Don't forget to change your razor blade regularly, as dull blades are more likely to cause cuts and irritation. By taking proactive steps to care for your skin and shaving equipment, you can enjoy a smoother, safer shaving experience in the long run. By incorporating these additional tips into your shaving routine, you'll be well equipped to handle any bumps along the way and achieve a flawless finish every time. Remember, shaving is a personal journey, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. And there you have it. With a little know-how and some basic tools, you can conquer those shaving mishaps like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes some time to master these techniques. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shaving!